Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Muridke. Dear students, today we will discuss past paper questions relating to alkenes and other homologous series of hydrocarbons. As you know that hydrocarbons are those molecules or compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen only. We will discuss assignment question number 2 and 28 of the worksheets being provided to you earlier. Question 2. Ethene is an important starting material for the production of chemicals such as ethanol, ethanoic acid, and ethane 1,2-diol. Ethene C2H4 is manufactured by the cracking of long chain hydrocarbons such as dodecane C12H26. Question 2a part. Construct an equation to show the cracking of dodecane to make ethene. C12H26 is the molecular formula of dodecane arrow 2 C2H4 plus C10H22. Any balanced equation showing ethene and other different possible alkanes and alkene is acceptable. B part. Draw a dot and cross diagram for ethene. You only need to draw the valence electrons. As you know that in the structure of ethene, two carbon atoms showing two pair of electrons in the center and two hydrogen atoms with one carbon atom each sharing one electron with each other. C part. Ethene can also be converted into a compound that contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. A sample of the compound was analyzed and found to contain 0.72 grams of carbon, 0.18 grams of hydrogen and 0.96 grams of oxygen. Show that the empirical formula of the compound is CH3O. First of all, we will calculate the mass of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Mass of carbon is 0.72 grams while mass of hydrogen is 0.18 grams and mass of oxygen is 0.96 grams. Relative atomic masses of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 16. We can easily calculate the number of moles by using the formula moles is equal to mass over AR. While we can calculate the moles of carbon by using the formula 0.72 gram is the mass of carbon divided by 12 is the AR of carbon, we will get 0.06 moles. Moles of hydrogen will be equal to 0.18 divided by 1 will be equal to 0.18, while moles of oxygen is equal to 0.96 over 16, that will be equal to 0.06 moles. We can calculate the number of moles of this by dividing the least number of moles to the whole equation. 0.06 divided by 0.06, that will be equal to 1. 0.18 divided by 0.06, that will be equal to 3, while moles of oxygen will be 0.06 divided by 0.06 equal to 1. So we will get the empirical formula CH3O. D part. Describe how ethene can be converted industrially into ethanol. Ethene is reacted with steam at 300 degrees Celsius temperature and 60 atmosphere pressure in the presence of phosphoric acid acting as a catalyst. E part. Ethanol reacts with hot acidified potassium dichromate to form ethanoic acid. As we know that oxidation of alcohols produces carboxylic acids. When ethanol is being oxidized with the help of acidified potassium dichromate, it will form ethanoic acid. First part. Describe the color change that occurs during this reaction and draw the structure of ethanoic acid. As oxidation is going on, that's why the color will change from orange to green, and its structural formula will be CH3 bond C double bond O bond OH. Second part. Ethane 1,2-diol has the structure drawn below. This is the structure of ethane 1,2-diol. As you can see that there are two alcoholic groups attached with this molecule. Suggest the structure of the product of the reaction between ethane 1,2-diol and hot acidified potassium dichromate. The two alcohol groups will be oxidized to two carboxylic acids. The compound produced is called ethane dioic acid. Question number 28. Vegetable oils can be used to both to make margarine and as fuels such as biodiesel. A part, many vegetable oils are polyunsaturated. Explain the meaning of the term polyunsaturated. Long chain hydrocarbons which contain many carbon-carbon double bonds. Polyunsaturated hydrocarbons contain more than one double bond. Describe how you could distinguish between samples of saturated and unsaturated vegetable oils. With saturated hydrocarbons, the color of bromine water does not change. Unsaturated hydrocarbons changes the color of bromine water from brown to colorless. B part, describe how margarine can be manufactured from unsaturated vegetable oils by reacting unsaturated vegetable oils with hydrogen. Biodiesel contains the compound C15H30O2. Suggest the products of the complete combustion of this compound. They will be producing carbon dioxide and water. As you know that complete combustion always yields carbon dioxide and water. D part, farmers that grow vegetable oil crops often use large quantities of ammonium nitrate fertilizer. The formula for ammonium nitrate is NH4NO3. Calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate. First of all, we will have to calculate the MR of ammonium nitrate. MR of ammonium nitrate is 80. Mass of nitrogen is 28. So the percentage of nitrogen can be calculated by dividing mass of nitrogen divided by molecular mass into 100. 28 divided by 80 into 100, that will be equal to 35%. E part, microorganisms in the soil convert ammonium nitrate into gaseous nitrous oxide N2O. This gas is a greenhouse gas. Describe two possible consequences of an increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Number 1, increased atmospheric temperature. Number 2, change in climate. Second part, ammonium nitrate can be thermally decomposed in the laboratory to form nitrous oxide and one other product. Construct the equation for this composition. It will produce nitrous oxide and 2 moles of hydrogen. This is all about these questions. I thank you all for your precious time. Allah Hafiz.